Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. We have a very, very special offer that we're doing this week only for myEcon and specifically global members, new global members that come in this week. You guys are going to get something very, very special, and I'm going to walk you through that here in this video. So just a couple of weeks ago, we opened up the myEcon global membership all across the globe. And now we're doing something very, very special. Now, you're not going to find this anywhere else other than on my team or really under me specifically. This is not a whole global rollout. Although there is something very, very special coming your way this summer that myEcon is going to do that's going to help a lot of people. I'm actually doing something right now this week just for international members because we are looking for leaders all across the globe. And that is the beauty of the myEcon compensation plan. No matter what country that you come in through, whether it's here in the United States or anywhere else, all across the globe, you get access to the full compensation plan. You can make as much or as little as you want, and you can promote an incredible business. So what I'm going to be doing for you this week here, okay, make sure you get all the details in this video, okay? When you hit the link in the description down below, you're going to land on my personal join page here. You're going to see all the options. So whether you're in the United States, you want to come in at any of the levels, you're going to see that information here on this page. But specifically, when you scroll down to where the global sign up is, and it'll say right here, international members outside of the United States. So you'll know if you're in another country exactly what spot you need to go to. There's something that I started doing last week where I started offering special things for people, for action takers, the people that wanted to get in. And I'm going to do that literally this week. It's going to run from, the time you watch this video until this Friday, whenever that is. Again, you'll see the countdown timers when you hit the link in the description down below. You'll see that here. But what I'm going to do for you as an international new, meaning that if you joined this week, if you got in last week, you missed the boat. If you got in the week before that, you missed the boat. Okay, this is just for new business, new members. I always have people reach out and be like, hey, can I get in on that? No, this is just for new members. Okay, so if you get started with me, not only are we going to plug you into our team sales rotator. Now, our team sales rotator is specifically in our team site. It's in the app. It's in the team training site. You can get into our team sales rotator. What was going on here is we were offering, I think it was 5 positions in our global sales rotator. Now, if you get in this week and this week only, you're going to get 20 positions, which means for every 100 clicks that comes into our rotator, and yes, we drive paid ads, we run solo ads, we run Craigslist ads, we pay for advertising to our sales rotator, and for every 100 clicks, you could be getting up to 20 of those clicks direct to your myEcon affiliate link. Okay. Now, this is something that we're not going to do for everybody. Again, this is only for international global members. If you do come in at other levels, you can still get into the team rotator. You can see here, 1 spot, 5 spots, or 10 spots. And those are for the memberships here in the United States with myEcon. But again, for the international members, we want you guys to win. We're looking to grow, really, expand quick outside of the United States, which is why for me, I'm doing this promotion this week. I really want to, find some international leaders. So if you're watching this video, if you're thinking about it right now, is a great time to do that. Now, the other big thing that I want you to take a look at is you're going to get into my personal rotator. Now, why is that, or how is that different from specifically the team rotator? Well, this link right here. When you join this link right here, that is a rotator. When you click on this button to get started, you're going to go into my international global rotator, okay? Meaning you could join me, you could join somebody else on our team, and you will most likely join someone else on our team because that's where I have the majority of the clicks going to, okay? So this button, when you get started, that is the rotator. That's how it works, meaning when you get started, your link is going to be in here, and not only are you going to get into my sales rotator, but I'm going to put you in there for a full 180 days. Okay. So, yep, that is correct. A full 6 months. Okay. So, meaning for you, you're going to be able to get in there and have me promote your business for you. And this is why, I'm really looking to boost international sales and really looking to help expand into the international market for myEcon. I'm going to put you in there for 6 full months. Last week, I talked about getting in there for 60 days or even 90 days. Nope. I'm going to double that. I'm going to get you in there for a full 6 months, 180 days in my rotator. Now, if you're asking, okay, cool, that sounds great, but does the rotator work? Yes, it does. I get sales literally every single day. Sometimes even up to I've had as high as 21 sales in a single 24-hour period. A lot of those sales coming through my rotator. These are just some text messages or Facebook messages here. People reaching out to me. Hey, I just got another rotator sale. Hey, this guy here in the top left. Okay. This guy literally got 3 sales in a 24-hour period from my sales rotator. He actually texted me and said, hey, I got 2 signups. And I text him back. I was like, hey, wait a minute. No, you actually have 3. So, again, the rotator does 1000% work, my friend. So if you do want to get in, you can hit the link in the description down below. But here's what's incredibly important. You have to follow this information. And shout out to Kelly. Kelly literally just got started. She came in from overseas, I think Belgium, I believe. And she came in overseas. She went through the rotator. And I know this because she followed this process. She sent me an email that said this exact directions right here. So let me go through them with you, okay? So she went to myeconglobal.com. She went through the rotator, all right? She sent an email. This is very important because if you join someone other than me, I'm not going to know if you came in at all. I'm not going to know. So I have to verify that. You have to email me and let me know, okay? So you come in, activate your membership. You send an email to this email right here that you see on your screen, okay? You got to do this. Take a screenshot of this. Write it down, whatever you got to do. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but you got to follow these steps. In the subject line of the email, you put the word rotator. In the body of the email, you send me your myEcon username. So Kelly literally just joined probably 30 minutes before I shot this video. Okay, she sent me an email. She gave me her username. I verified that it's legit. I just put her into my rotator. So as you go and get started today or whenever you watch this video, you could be joining Kelly, okay? So that's how it works. You're going to use the rotator. You're going to, all you international members that are get started and want to get started this week and you guys want to take advantage of that, okay, you got to follow that process. Hit the link in the description down below and you're going to activate your myEcon membership. I'm going to put you into my personal rotator for the next 6 months. I'm going to help you win as best as I possibly can. And I'm going to do that, for the longest promo period that I've ever done. So if you want to take advantage of this, if you're looking at myEcon, you're ready to get started, you want to be part of something really, truly special that is helping thousands and thousands of people. And also, when you get started with us, it doesn't matter what country you're from, whether it's here in the United States or you're overseas, you're in another country somewhere, you still get access to everything that we offer. Over $11,000 in free value, our team sales rotator, my personal rotator, all of our sales funnels. We do the email marketing for you. We give you a full training system. You can even put that training system in an app on your phone. You can run your entire business from an app on your phone. That's well over $11,000 in documented value. And we have a proven and documented system. We've been doing this for years and helped over 10,000 people make their first dollar online. That could be you. I'm going to leave an end card right here at the end of this video so you could check it out for yourself. But plain and simple, we are looking for international leaders and we want to help you the best way possible. So link in the description down below, my friend. Get yourself started and lock in. If you have any questions for me, you could drop a comment down below this video, or if you're inside the United States, you can hit the number at the top of the screen here and you can send me a text message. But if you're outside of the United States, you might not be able to text me, so drop a comment down below, or you can send an email to that email that I just had on the screen, myeconglobal@gmail.com. Okay. That is it, my friend. Appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I upload new content or do crazy special promos like you're seeing today. I don't do this often, but we're rolling this out. The global launch is in effect right now with myEcon, so we want to get as many international members as possible, and I'm going to hook you up with 6 free months inside of my personal rotator, and I'm going to help you get as many sales as I possibly can. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you hopefully on the inside in just a few minutes.